So the objective here is to put the Cadillac Escalade power wheels on top of this old quad frame to build a monster truck. All right, so I got my little helper here. Now this is a cotter pin. It just undo it, and that's goes through a hole in the axle. Yeah, if it breaks off, that's fine. There you go. So we'll do that on all. Well, this one doesn't have a cotter pin, it just has a bolt. Because I added these, I don't know, when did I add the rubber tires on? 6-7 years ago? Because they could actually go in the grass instead of those plastic one it comes with. It's looking good. Let's get this off. Just keep. Lift off the tire. All right, one down. And this one's off, but I have a couple extra bolts that go through. That's what attaches it to the actual motor. Like on this side you can see it goes around and attaches it to the Power Wheels motor. Those are rusted on pretty good, right? I'll hold it so it doesn't pop out. Yeah, it's coming slowly. So with one wheel off, you can actually slide the whole rear axle out. And then I didn't do anything to this motor out here, but it fell in. So interestingly enough, probably because it was broken, but you don't have to, there we go. How is this attached? Not really attached. So they kind of just sit in there with the axle going through. That's interesting. I guess that's how you'd replace them. Well, while I was getting the wheels off, my partner in crime was able to get the handlebars off. So that's good. Because what we're going to want to do when we come over to this side, we're going to have to cut a hole. Well, I guess it's on the other side. To run that up and put a steering wheel on it rather than a handlebar. So we'll finish getting this out of here, decide what we have to cut, and then yeah, drill a hole for that to pop through the middle there somewhere. Okay, to get the front suspension off, yeah, what do I call suspension? The front steering, is there's a little Phillips screw in here, which when unpopped, maybe should possibly get it off. I don't know. See what happens when we undo this. Okay, to remove the front steering subframe, there's a couple Phillips screws underneath the battery. So we got those out. Now it looks like there's 5 or 6 other ones. We'll see if we can track them down. Because really what you need to do is, yeah, so these two at the front here are the ones that are in the battery compartment. There's a couple back here, which are probably by the feet and the inside. And yeah, let's see how we do when we take those 4 out. Okay, yeah, there's 2 more down by the feet. And with those 4 out, let's see if we can get the front subframe off. Okie dokie, the front subframe off. We can see where we need to make a hole for our steering column. Nothing else is really hitting on the front. Well, this will hit in a minute, I guess. More importantly, in the back, yeah, I need to cut a channel in there and get that middle bar piece off, and then we'll see where it's going to sit.
Aha! That's really good. Darn it.
Okay.
This side.
Okay.
You get in there.
Come down here and cut that way. With this. Yeah. You want me to do it?
Wait, can I cut down first?
We don't need to, you just need to go directly across. Okay, getting close. Okay, same on the other side.
Ooh.
Okay, that's why I said try to keep it near the front.
All right, so stay tuned for part 2 when we finish this.